Okay, we're writing our own inequalities. All of our equations need to look like y equals mx plus b. We're going to have something that's being multiplied or divided, something that's being added or subtracted, and maybe a total. You just have to find the numbers in the problem and put them where they go. So go ahead and underneath number 1, write y equals mx plus b. And then we'll just fill in the blanks as we go. A 7th grade student needs to raise at least $5,000 for their class trip. At least $5,000. So $5,000 is your total. That's what they need. And at least, can they have more than $5,000? Can they have exactly $5,000? So if it's more, we want the alligator eating away. And if it's exact, they can have an equal sign. The 7th grade students need to raise at least $5,000 for their class trip. They were given $850 by a local business for the trip, but they have to raise the rest. If there are 83 students, how much does each student need to raise? So we are given $850 one time, right? And 83 students, it says each student, so 83 is what we're multiplying. That's it. Find the number you're multiplying, find the number you're adding or subtracting, find the total. Let's do number 2. Start by writing y equals mx plus b. You're going to need it. Zach saved $750 to spend on a Nintendo Switch and games. The Switch cost $300. The games cost $59 each. At most, how many games can the enthusiast buy along with the player? All right. 59 each means 59x. He has $750. The Switch costs $300. We are adding the $300 to the games. So 300 plus however many games, he has $750. So can he spend more than $750? No. So 750 has to be the big number. That's what the alligator eats. You can't spend more money than you have. Can he spend exactly $750? Yeah, he can spend every penny he owns. So there's your equal sign. Number 3, you don't have to write your y equals mx plus b if you don't want to, since they give you answer choices. You're going to do the same thing though. You're looking for what's being multiplied, what's being added or subtracted. It says Nick has $7. Bagels cost 75 cents each. Cross off anything that doesn't have 75 cents being multiplied. Get rid of it. It's not right. A small container of cream cheese costs $1.29. Write an inequality to find the number of bagels Nick can buy. So we've got to have 75 cents each and the bagels, and he only has $7. Now, is the alligator going to have to eat the $7 or look away from the $7? Ooh, I wrote 7 o'clock. That's weird. Sorry. $7. That's what he has. Is the alligator going to eat the 7 Can he spend more than he has? No. So 7 has to be more than what he spends. Can he spend exactly 7? Sure he can. So cross off anything that doesn't have the alligator with a double chin eating $7. And at this point, you have your answer. All right. Number 4, Mr. and Mrs. Reyes have budgeted $1,080 to go on vacation for 18 days. The hotel will cost $648 for the trip. Write an inequality to find the amount of money they can spend each day without going over their budget. So days is being multiplied. What's the number that goes with days? 18. So anything that doesn't have 18 being multiplied needs to disappear. Get rid of it. Now we're down to 3 options. Usually if it's money, money's the total. Like what they have is the total. Can she spend, which way does the alligator have to eat? Does that what she have to be the most? Or does she spend have to be more than what she has? If she has $1,080, that alligator has to eat $1,080. Can she spend exactly, or she and he spend exactly $1,080? Of course they can. They put the money aside to go. So now you're going to cross off anything that doesn't have a double-chinned alligator eating $1,080. And then you got your answer. Last one I'm going to do with you, and then the rest are on your own. But the rest are easy. You're going to breeze through them. Joshua has $45 to spend on clothes. Remember what we said about when you have money? It's probably an alligator eating the money you have. He wants to buy a shirt for $7 and the rest on pants that are on sale for $12 a pair. Which inequality could he use to determine the number of pairs of pants he can buy? Okay, I know it says pair, which we know is 2, but one pants is a pair of pants. So it's not 12 times 2 or anything like that. It's just 12 times however many pairs of pants he buys. So that's going to get you to 50-50 right away. And then we said $45 is what he has. He can spend less than $45. The alligator has to eat 45. It has to be the most. Or he can spend exactly $45. So between these two criteria, you can find your answer.